Kids realized that artificial intelligence and robots are just inventions, but the inventor is far much important and significant in humans' life. And also, there is one thing that AI can never replace: the love and warmth of a human heart. The kids happily enjoyed and praised teacher Sahaya Rani with their booming and gratitude-filled dance. As you could see, the students of RoboNova School realized how the love is important, and they are going to celebrate this moment with a cheerful dance. Get ready to clap, tap, and cheer. Our little stars from Senior KG are all set to dazzle us with their Dandiya dance. Kindly assemble in your dance costumes near the in entrance of the stage. Get back to the RoboNova School and see what students are up to now. Kids realized that artificial intelligence can think, but only human intelligence can feel. A machine may recognize a tear, but only a human can wipe it away. Technology can make life easy, but only humanity makes life beautiful. In a world full of smart machines, let us never forget to be kind humans, because robots can teach lessons, but only humans can touch lives. Finally, a tear can confuse a robot, but it can awaken a human. As a result, management of RoboNova School recruited majority of human teachers to promote the value of humanity, kindness and love, which is the main flavor of education. ஆனால் அது உணர்வுகளை உயிர்ப்பிக்க முடியாது. ஒவ்வொரு குழந்தையின் வாழ்க்கையிலும் வழிகாட்டும் ஒளி ஒரு அம்மாவும் ஒரு ஆசிரியரும் தான். அம்மாவின் அன்பையும் பாசத்தையும் கொண்டாட இப்பொழுது ஈடன் கிட்ஸ் பார்க்கின் அம்மாக்களும் குழந்தைகளும் சேர்ந்து அம்மாவின் அழகை மேடையில் வெளிப்படுத்த வருகிறார்கள்.
Baby, I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ, ये जिंदगी है और क्या, नहीं चुटकुला हंस दे जरा, क्यों है तू, छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी